My name is Suvarna Rao, working as the Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology. I'm taking the subject is the e-commerce. Today I'm taking the topic is the mobile commerce. M-commerce trend and strategies. It is one of the important subject from the nowadays. So, what about the e-commerce? E-commerce nothing but electronic commerce and do the any business through online. So, type of commerce is called the e-commerce. Now, everybody having nowadays in the mobile phone, you can, those business could treat it as a m-commerce. M-commerce in the sense mobile commerce. So what about the mobile commerce? The mobile commerce or m-commerce is rapidly evolving and driven by technological advancement and changing consumer behavior. Here are some key trends and strategies to consider for a leveraging m-commerce. So the m-commerce is the most important topic from the e-commerce business. The main important thing is called the is rapidly evolving driven by technological advancements and changing consumer behavior. So here some key trends and strategies considered leveraging the e-commerce. In the sense, e-commerce using different type of the leveragings like that. Mobile commerce also using different types of the leveraging. Why? Because of mobile commerce is the most important thing nowadays. Why? Because so many flexibilities is there. Much time is saving. Moreover, mobile also there in everybody, individual person pocket. All those things. Mobile commerce is the nowadays good trend from the e-commerce business. Okay, the increased mobile shopping nowadays, day by day, in the worldwide, the number of mobiles every day you can buy and search. Why? Because of you can use increase the mobile shopping. In the mobile shopping, without mobile phone, not digested any human being. Why? Because of mobile phone is the it is part of the human life nowadays. Why? Because of introducing of the 5G, then automatically mobile phones compulsory is the mandatory thing. Why? Because of you can link between the bank, you can link between the Aadhaar, you can link between the any apps or any mobility. Then we can use the mobile. Why? Because of with help of the this mobile phone shopping is also one of the important. Why? Because of nowadays increase the mobile shopping is the most important thing. Here two things also there. One is the rising mobile usages. More consumers are using a smartphone for shopping, leading to increased mobile traffic and sales. Why? Because of the rising mobile phone is the most important thing from the e-commerce business. Then going to the other important thing is called the improved mobile networks. Mobile networks also nowadays 1G, 2G, 4G, and 3G, 5G, up to so on. Enhancement is going on. Why? Because of the improved mobile networks, nothing but a mobile quality or signals or connections or frames, whatever it may be, are increased. Automatically, faster mobile networks also getting. Nowadays, in the example of the faster mobile networks is called 4G and 5G is the one of the best example in the improved mobile networks in the faster mobile networks. Enhances the mobile shopping experience with quicker load times and better connectivity. So the increased mobile shopping using rising mobile usage is the one of the most important thing. Then after going to the improved the mobile networks also is required. The faster mobile networks 4G, 5G enhance the mobile shopping experience with a quicker load time and better connectivity. Why? Because of any phone having individual pockets or itself of the person. Why? Because of in the e-commerce business, with help of the mobile. Nowadays, share markets also purely depends upon the mobile phone. Nothing but one type of technologies. Nowadays, 5G technology, then faster network also there, then access should be taken fastestly. So such type of thing is called the increased mobile shopping and mobile payment solutions. Nowadays, everything it depends upon the mobile payments also. Anybody, 50% of the persons not going to the banks. Everybody it depends upon the only mobile phones. Here, different types of the wallets also there in the mobile and directly connected to the banks and bank apps. Then after some wallets also there. With the help of the open the this bank apps or wallets, then immediately transfer to the one person to other person. Such type of thing is called digital wallets. Here, adoption of the digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Wallet and Summing Pay are secure and convenient transactions. So the mobile payment solution is the most effective payment system nowadays. Everybody, even the tea wala onwards and rich man, are one of the anyone in the worldwide, we can use the mobile phone wallets. Why? Because of mobile phone wallets very friendly communication supported. We can easily transaction the amount one to others. Why? Because of such type of technologies also enhanced. Is called the adoption of the digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Wallet and something pay for secure and convenient transaction. So now buy now pay later. It is also one of the important technical aspects in the mobile commerce. You can use the flexible payment system such as the BNPL services are gaining popularity, providing consumer with a more purchasing powers. So the buy now and pay later systems also very popular nowadays. Amazon or Flipkart or some eBay's, you can use the such type of flexibility. Why? Because that is the flexible payment. Buy now, pay later after 1 month or installment modes or such type of thing also is provided in the companies. So it is also in the mobile buyers or sellers also increased day by day. Why? Because such type of flexibility is also there. Digital wallets is available, you accept it to the digital wallets. Then after that, BNPL also you can accept it. Buy now, pay later. Flexible payment options such as a BNPL services are going popularity, providing consumer with more purchasing power. Here, such type of effective communication we can use. Such type of communication is called mobile payment solutions. On personalization and AI. AI also one of the important thing from the commerce and trend in the strategies. The personal recommendation in the AI driven is personalized offer, tailored product recommendations based on the user behavior and preferences. So the AI it is the one of the helpful then dictating of the mobile business, then enhance the mobile business and secure the mobile business. Do the any operation with the help of the mobile business, we can use the personalization of the AI. And AI chatbot is the one of the important thing now enhancing customer services through AI chatbot that provide instant responses and assistance. So AI chatbot it is the or chat GPT you can use. You can communicate or retrieving of the some data or extracting of the data very useful from the AI chatbot. Here, the enhancing customer services through AI chatbot that provide instant responses and assistance also. The augmented reality (AR), the virtual try once at AR technology allows users to try on product like clothing, accessories, or makeup virtuality, enhancing the shopping experience is called augmented reality from the AR. Then after going to the another important thing is called interactive product visualization. AR enable users to visualize the product and in their environment, improving the decision making. With the help of the AI, it is the one of the important tool from the nowadays any e-commerce business. Through help of the mobile phone, it is the best suitable tool to implement the AI tool. Here, virtual try once, it is the one of the AR also one of the important thing, and interactive product visualization. Interactive product visualization, nothing but what about the product? You can choose the any direction, 360 degrees directions also you can show. Why? Because of now technologies you can crystal clear information is showing imaging you can display the system. Why? Because of that is also one of the best technology. Interactive product visualization is the most important thing in the AR enables user to visualize product in their environment or improving the decision making. So the augmented reality most useful for the mobile commerce or m-commerce trending strategies. And some social commerce integrations is required from the mobile commerce. Mobile commerce in the trend and strategies also very useful for the e-commerce business. The social commerce integration most important thing is called the shoppable social media and influencer market. These two things also very useful in the any mobile commerce or businesses. Platform like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok enable direct shopping through the post and stories. Now, the shoppable social media it is the most important social media platform. You can use this platform. So many like such type of platforms also there. Instagram also one of the platforms. Nowadays, mobile commerce with help of the installation of the Instagram, then do the some posts or good information or quality or brand, whatever it may be. Some advertisement point of view, Instagram is the one of the best platform. Like that, Facebook also. Nowadays, Facebook you can go to reach at the interior places also. So many local peoples you can watch the Facebook compared to town peoples. Why? Because Facebook is one of the familiar word or important utilization of the tool in the village sites also. Why? Because the Facebook is the you can add some product, you can show some product, you can purchase all those things with help of the Facebook also one of the important shoppable social media platform. Another one TikTok. Once upon a time TikTok also there. We can act of the some material or whatever it may be. You can show in the clear cut in the any type of degrees. Enable and direct shopping through the post and stories, whatever it may be. With the help of the TikTok, how to working of the previous product, what about going on the coming product, all those things you can choose with the help of the TikTok. Why? Because the shoppable social media it is the most important commerce integration in the social media commerce integration. So, and going to the other important thing is called the influencer market. Influencer market nothing but buy one and explain the others. Buy the product, explain the other. Such type of technique is called the influencer marketing. Here, the collaboration with the influencer to drive sale through authenticated environment and social proofs. Why? Because of, I can buy one Apple phone. The service is good, the security is good, the utilization effectively, the display, the whatever it may be, all those things are displaying of the good. Why? Because of my product, I can buy one product. Those product is good. You can utilize them betterly. You can buy others. Such type of marketing is called the influencer marketing. Influencer marketing nothing but a first in the old customer you can satisfy the fully, then another customers you can explain thoroughly. Automatically, remaining customers also are interesting of the those product. Why? Because of the in the previous example, previous and historical perspective, that fellow is the using those phone. Phone is working properly. Me also buying same phone. Such type of business in the mobile commerce businesses in the trend and strategies, such type of technique is called the influential marketing techniques. So, influential marketing technique is the one of the most important technique from the mobile commerce business. And going to the some voice commerce, voice and the audio, video, different types of the social media platforms, we can use and utilize the voice commerce. The voice activated shopping, it is the most important thing in the mobile e-commerce business. The integration with the voice assistant like Amazon, Alexa, and Google Assistants allow for hands-free shopping experiences is called the voice commerce. And voice search optimization is the other technique. Searching the voice based on the some tools, the step of technique is called the voice search optimization. Optimization of content for a voice search or a capture voice is driven traffic is called the voice commerce. In the sense, the voice commerce nothing but a based on the your voice. For example, you can speak in the Balasubramanian, you can speak in the NTR, you can speak into the Chiranjeevi, in the like that. Such type of voice is the based on the authenticated peoples. Then are you using that material and tell them others such type of voice is received, then automatically you are also buying such type of goods is the uh, doing the some business. Such type of technique is called the voice commerce. The activated shopping integration with the voice assistant like Amazon, Alexa, and Google Assistants allow for the hand-free shopping experiences. And going to the other one is the voice search optimization, optimizing the content for voice search to capture voice-driven optimization. So these two things is the most important from the mobile commerce businesses. Progressive web application, PWAs. The progressive applications having two things also there. It is the app-like experience. PWA provides a seamless like app-like experience on mobile browsers without requiring downloading. So the enhancing accessibility and engagement, we can choose a progressive web application. Okay, so step of thing is called the app-like experience. Then going to the other one is the offline functionality. Offline is the one of the most important useful in the real life scenario. Why? Because of offline we can plan. Then after we can do a business in the online. Like PWA offers offline access to certain features or improving the usability in area with a poor connectivity. So the progressive web apps app-like experience is the one of the important thing, and going to the offline functionality is the other important aspect in the progressive web apps. The progressive web apps offer offline access certain features like improving the usability in areas with a poor connectivity. Enhance the security. What is the security? Biometric authentication, use of some fingerprint and facial recognition for the secure and convenient authentication. Here, two things also there: two-factor authentication, 2FA, implementing of the two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of the security for transactions and content access. One is the optimized mobile user experiences, responsive design, and fast load times. The ensure your website and apps and mobile friendly with a responsive designs that adapt to a different screen size. Then fast load timings optimize for a fast load times to improve user drop of the improved engagement. So the seamless checkout process have required from the mobile commerce the trend and strategies here. Different types of the things also there. Reduce the mobile of steps in the checkout process and offer guest checkout points. Such type of thing is called the simplified checkout process. And multiple payment options provide a variety of the payment method, including the mobile wallet and BNPL services. So the seamless checkout process is the most important. These two things also very important from the mobile commerce and trends and strategies. One of the technique is called the simplified checkout technique, and going to the other technique is called the multiply payment option. The multiply payment option is providing a variety of the payment method, including mobile wallets and BNPL. Buy now, pay later services also is available on the mobile commerce. So ensure robust and security. Any mobile commerce is the most secure aspect of the business is going on. Here, one type of technique is called the ensure robust security. Is called the secure transactions. Implement the storing security measures to protect a customer data and a transactions. So the security transaction is the most important thing from the ensure robust society. Then going to the other important thing is called the compliance. Compliance is nothing but to ensure the compliances with the relevant data protections and providing regulations. So the ensure robust security is the most important thing from the mobile commerce trend and strategies business. These are the my important things. Then once again, I will explain this topic is called the strategies for the success in the mobile commerce. Most of responsive design and fast growth timings. The optimizing mobile experiences responsive design, which depends upon the ensure your website and apps are mobile friendly with a responsive designs that adapt to a different screen sizes. Why? Because of the responsive design, which depends upon the websites and apps are mobile friendly with a responsive designs that adapt to a different screen sizes. It means the mobile business, the mobile commerce is it is one of the important thing trends and strategies also. And fast load timings. Here, the optimizing for a fast load times to prevent users drop off, improve the engagement. The fast load times, it depends upon the two things. One is the responsive design and going to the fast load times. These two things very useful for the strategies for the success of the mobile commerce. Any mobile business with help of the internet also required, good configuration of mobiles also required, mobile functioning perfectly or working, and then after any time internet is the mandate in the any online business in the mobile commerce especially. Without mobile internet, then not working the any mobile business. Nowadays, the enhance the network of the mobile phones 4G and 5G, it is the sophisticated memory or connections is available on the mobile phones. It is the 5G also one of the important. Why? Because here two things also required. Responsive design also is required in the mobile phone. Nothing but a different screen sizes. They adapt the different types of the responsiveness designs. Or mobile phones also you can utilize the friendly or advanced Android mobiles also is required. Going to the other one is the fast load times also is required. The fast load times it depends upon the memory size with help of the RAM and ROM size also. The load will be fast, then execution is fast. Then load is slow, automatically such type of mobile is not good. In the sense, optimize for fast load times to prevent user drop of the improve the engagement. So the strategies for a success in the mobile commerce is the most important thing from the mobile commerce business trends and trends and strategies. Here, the seamless checkout process. Another again, I will discuss to the this one is called the simplified the checkout. In the mobile phone, it is the easily check the data, how much information is storing, how much data is available. Moreover, the internet is available or not, or network is working or not. Moreover, any business, my mobile phone is responding or not, the insufficient memory is there or not. All those things to check in the way that is called the seamless checkout process. Then going to the important thing is called the multiple payment options. Provide a variety of the payment method including mobile wallets and BNPL services also one of the important things from the mobile commerce. So this is the entire scenario of the this class in the mobile commerce, nothing but a trends and strategy of the EIM commerce. That is also one of the important topic from the e-commerce. This is my finally this is called the after before on that my suggestion of the ensure the robust security, secure transactions and compliances. This is the most important thing in the any mobile commerce. Finally, these are my references. Ravi Kolkata, Western Andrews B. Frontiers Electronics Commerce and Fusion, first edition, year of the 1996. And another important thing is called the references book. Different types of the reference books also there in the David Whiteley, E-commerce strategies, technologies and application, Tata McGill, second edition 2000 introduction. And Kamesh B.K. Burgess e-commerce, the cutting edge of the business Tata McGill, first edition in 2005. And J. Christopher Westland Theodore H.K. Clark in the Global Electronics Theory and Case Studies of the University Press, first edition in 1999. The web references here, different types of the so many web references also there. Here, 1, 2, 3, I can use the some references. These references are also very useful for the your things. Thank you so much today.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.